Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I have a short video today. I'm going to show you what ingredients you need to prepare the rice water that you have seen me apply to my hair in an older video. So firstly, this is my rice water. I just put it in a mason jar and allow it to ferment for 2 days. Here I have just a medium-sized bowl and I'm putting it beneath the colander. Oh, in this step, this was the first time that I actually tried adding fresh orange juice to the rice water. Vitamin C is very beneficial for your hair, and I also read that the orange could help with the scent of the rice water. So secondly, I'm gonna go right ahead and strain my rice into a Pyrex measuring cup. And then once that is done, I go ahead and mix the rice water with the orange juice. And that is pretty much it. It's ready to apply. From here, what I normally would do is just put it into a spray bottle so I can apply it to my hair. And as an added bonus, I went ahead and included a short clip of the ingredients that I used in one of my conditioner cocktails. When you rinse out your rice water, you're definitely going to want to have a deep conditioner. So for this day, this is what I used in mine. So you just want to mix that up. And that is it.